Bonjour everyone. Let's continue our lessons to lesson 3, leçon 3, Bon Voyage, aller en TGV. Leçon 3, Bon Voyage, aller en TGV. So this is page 54 if you have this, and you may scan the QR code here whereby you can listen the dialogue, the native speakers dialogue. Yeah, so after listening to the native speaker, so let's continue. I will read again and I will explain to you the meaning and what you should know and understand in this topic. But please listen to the animation with the meaning there. And if you miss my pronunciation here, you can listen again to the animation there to have the correct pronunciation there. Anyway, I will read again the dialogue and I will do one by one the meaning here. So I hope that you may understand, what is the most important thing in this dialogue that we are going to cover in lesson 3. Alright, I'm going to use my PDF copy here because I can use my Apple Pencil here. Alright, in this dialogue we have, after listening to the animation, please listen the animation, watch that animation before you watch this video. Okay, let's continue. Leçon 3. Okay, Bon Voyage. I'm sure you know what does it mean. Bon Voyage is Selamat Jalan in Malay, but if we translate Bon Voyage, it's like, happy travel, something like that. But you can say that in English, have a safe journey. Yeah, Bon Voyage. So aller en TGV, aller en TGV. I repeat, aller en TGV. I can translate as go by TGV. TGV is the rapid train, but if we translate the TGV, train grande vitesse, the train with high-speed train. So high-speed train in France we call TGV. So I repeat, Bon Voyage, have a safe journey, aller en TGV, go by, TGV, TGV, high-speed train. So let's go with the dialogue here. So in this dialogue we have two persons. We have Didier and l'employé. So Didier is a very typical name here, and we have l'employé, the employee. Okay, but I'll just give you the meaning. Au guichet à la gare de Paris. Au guichet à la gare de Paris. At the counter ticket at the train stations of Paris. Okay, at the counter ticket at the train stations of Paris, meaning, a counter ticket at Paris train station. Okay, but if I translate the word by word here, au guichet at the counter ticket, à la gare is at the train station de Paris of Paris. Yeah, at the counter ticket at the train stations of Paris. If I translate word by word like that. So just go straight with the dialogue. Yeah. So un billet pour Lyon, s'il vous plaît. Okay, Didier said here, un billet pour Lyon, s'il vous plaît. One ticket for Lyon, please. One ticket for Lyon, please. Lyon is one of the biggest city in France after Paris. Yeah, so we have Marseille and Lyon after Paris. So un billet. So what is billet here? Billet is ticket. Yeah, ticket. It could be bus ticket, it could be train ticket, it could be flight ticket, but ticket, is billet. Un billet pour Lyon. One ticket for Lyon. S'il vous plaît, please. Here is please for formal. Vous avez une réservation. Vous avez une réservation. You have a reservation. So you can see here we are using the formal form. Yeah, so the employee asks, vous avez une réservation? You have a reservation? Non. Un aller-retour ou un aller simple? Un aller-retour ou un aller simple? Okay, this is what we're going to learn in this topic. We are going to learn what do we say return or single ticket in French. Yeah, here you can see aller-retour. Aller-retour in French is return. Aller simple is single. I repeat, aller-retour is return, aller simple is single. So if I translate un aller-retour ou un aller simple, a return or a single, as simple as that. Yeah. And then Didier says, un aller-retour, s'il vous plaît. A return, please. Un aller-retour, s'il vous plaît. A return, please. Ça coûte combien? How much is it? Ça coûte combien? Or if I translate, it costs how much? So we also learn how to ask how much. Yeah. So if you can memorize this, ça coûte combien? Coûte here meaning cost. Ça is this. This costs how much? Yeah, if we translate literally. So, un aller-retour, s'il vous plaît. Ça coûte combien? Return, please. How much is it? Ça coûte 220 euros. Ça coûte 220 euros. It costs 220 euros. Alright, and next. Combien de temps dure le voyage? Combien de temps dure le voyage? How long does it take to travel? But if I translate it literally, combien is how many of time, okay, durations the travel, something like that. Yeah. So how long is the travel? Combien de temps dure le voyage? 3 heures pour aller à Lyon. 3 heures pour aller à Lyon. 3 hours to go to Lyon. 3 heures pour aller à Lyon. And Didier asks, le train va partir à quelle heure? Le train va partir à quelle heure? The train is going to leave at what time? Le train va partir à quelle heure? The train is going to leave at what time? À 17h30. Alright, in this topic, we also learn how to read the official clock and the unofficial clock. So you know that most of the time used at the airport, at the bus ticket counter, etc., we are using the official clock, 24 hours clock. So here, à 17h30, meaning 5:30 p.m., 5:30 in the evening. Alright, l'employé said à 17h30, at 5:30 p.m. Vous arrivez à Lyon à 20h30. Vous arrivez à Lyon à 20h30. You arrive at Lyon at 8:30 p.m. Comment payez-vous? Comment payez-vous? Alright, we are going to learn also how, the method of, you are going to ask how much, the method of payment. So you should know how to ask, maybe you should understand if someone asks you, comment payez-vous? How are you going to pay? So if I translate here is comment payez-vous? How pay you? Something like that. Comment payez-vous? Of course, you have the verb payer later. Yeah, we learn about the verb later. So I just translate, comment payez-vous? How do you pay? Par carte de crédit. Par chèque ou en liquide. Okay, the employee asks, par carte de crédit, par chèque ou en liquide. By credit card, by check, or in cash, something like that. Yeah? Par carte de crédit, par chèque ou en liquide. Alright, if I translate, by card, by credit card, by check, or by cash, or in cash, yeah, on liquid. So liquid here is cash. So I can translate on liquid is in cash. Okay, I repeat, by credit card, by check, or by cash. And then Didier says, je paie en liquide. I pay by cash, or I pay in cash. Je paie en liquide. I pay in cash. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is only for the dialogue, but the most important thing that you must know which area, in this topic later, whereby we are going to learn how to buy a ticket, a bus ticket, flight ticket, train ticket, etc. And then, how do we say single or return ticket in French, and how to ask price and method of payment, and of course we have time. Okay, so I just repeat one more time, the dialogue here. So au guichet à la gare de Paris. Okay, at the counter ticket in Paris. At the counter ticket Paris train station. okay, at the counter ticket, Paris train station. Okay. Un billet pour Lyon, s'il vous plaît. Ticket for Lyon, please. Vous avez une réservation? You have a reservation? Non, non. Un aller-retour ou un aller simple? A return or a single? Un aller-retour, s'il vous plaît. A return, please. Ça coûte combien? How much it costs? Ça coûte 220 euros. It costs 220 euros. Combien de temps dure le voyage? How long is the travel? Basically, yeah. Combien de temps dure le voyage? How long is the travel? 3 heures pour aller à Lyon. 3 hours to go to Lyon. Le train va partir à quelle heure? The train is going to leave at what time? I forgot to mention just now, we also have grammar here, but I'm going to cover this in the class later, yeah? But we are going to learn futur proche here. Yeah, we have near future tense, not future tense, but near future tense. But if I translate here, le train va partir à quelle heure, it means the train is going to leave at what time. The train is going to leave at what time? Not the train will leave. No, the train is going to leave at what time? Okay, we are not going to learn future tense. Future tense. Yes, we are not going to learn future tense, but we have near future tense. In French, we call futur proche. Okay. All right. So the train is going to leave at what time? At 17h30. Okay, at 5:30 p.m. Vous arrivez à Lyon à 20h30. You arrive at Lyon at 8:30 p.m. Comment payez-vous? How do you pay? Par carte de crédit, par chèque ou en liquide? By credit card, by check, or in cash? Je paie en liquide. Merci beaucoup. I pay in cash. Merci beaucoup. All right. Just for this dialogue, okay. I hope you understand the meaning and the idea behind the dialogue. So, of course, I'm going to explain more when we meet again in the class, okay? But I hope you can understand the dialogue and the idea of lesson 3, yeah? So, I hope you watched both the animation as well as my video here. So I think that's all for this video, and I'll see you again next time. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.